Hello student, welcome to Math and Logic, and today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, that is 2's complement of a number using a shortcut trick. You can find 2's complement of a number using 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so let's start. It's number system problem. So let's first of all you have to know the series, okay, the pattern. So you have to understand 2 to the power 1 equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 to the power 4, 16, 2 to the power 5, 32, 2 to the power 6, 64, 2 to the power 7, 128, 2 to the power 8 is 256, 2 to the power 9, 5, 1, 2, 2 to the power 10, 1024, 2 to the power 11, 2048, and 2 to the power 12, 4096. Now, just take an example. 15. We have to find the 2's complement of a number which is 15. Okay. So what is the normal formation? How we find 2's complement of a number? First, we have to convert into binary, right? Then we find 1's complement. Then we find 2's complement one by one. So we take 15, then divide by 2, we get 7, remainder 1. Then again divide by 2, we get 3, remainder 1. Then again divide by 2, we get 1, remainder 1. So the binary of 15 is 1, 1, 1, 1 to the base 2. Now we have to find 1's complement, right? 1's complement means 1 converted to 0, 0 converted to 1. So we get 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we just add 1, so we get 1, right? So binary, so 2's complement of 15 is equals to 1. That is the normal procedure, and it takes more time. 15 or 20 seconds minimum. If it is a long problem, then it takes 30 seconds minimum. But now we have to find 2's complement within 1 or 2 seconds. How? Suppose take the same example, 15. Which one is greater than 15 in that table? 16 is greater than 15, right? 16 is greater than 15. So you just eliminate 15 from 16. You get 1. So the 2's complement of 15 is 1. 2's complement of 15 is 1. You take another example like 22. Which one is greater than 22? In that table, 32. So you just eliminate 22 from 32. You get 10. Okay, you get 10. So 2's complement of 22 is 10. In that way, you can find any value, any value. Suppose you take 16. 16 is equal to 16. Okay, so do not take 16. 16 is less than 32. So from 32 you eliminate 16, you get 16. So the 2's complement of 16 is also 16. You take another example like 48. 48 is less than 64, so you just eliminate 48 from 64. You get 16, so 16 is the 2's complement of 48. In that way, you can find 2's complement of any number within 1 or 2 seconds. It's a very easiest procedure to find 2's complement of a number. I hope you enjoy the video. Share with your friend, subscribe the channel, like and comment also. Thank you.